Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel for, for another today's lesson. Remember to like and subscribe for more chemistry lessons. Today we are going to learn about salt and describe different types of salt. As all we know that a salt is formed in a neutralization reaction between an acid and a base. Acid plus base, you get a salt plus water. Salt is a substance that is formed when the hydrogen ions in an acid are wholly or partially replaced by a positive ion. A salt also can be defined as any chemical compound formed from an acid when a hydrogen ion from the acid has been replaced by a metal ion or another positive ion. A salt is further defined as an ionic compound consisting of a cation, such as a metal ion or an ammonium ion from a base, and an ion from an acid. And the pH of salt is 7. I hope from the above information you have gotten the clear definition of a salt. Here now we go to another step, that is the different types of salt. We have 4 different types of salt. 1 is normal salts, 2 acid salts, 3 basic salts, and 4 double salt. Let's go for normal salts. Let's start there. Normal salts, these are salt that does not contain any replaceable hydrogen atom or hydroxyl group. They are also termed as neutral salts. Examples are sodium chloride, potassium sulfate, sodium carbonate, calcium nitrate. Yes. When a strong acid reacts with a strong base, normal salts are formed. As we have listed the examples there above. Let's go to acidic salts. Acidic salts are salts that contain a replaceable hydrogen atom. Acidic salts are also formed when a strong acid reacts with a weak base. Examples of these acidic salts are sodium hydrogen sulfate, sodium dihydrogen phosphate, and more other examples. Let's go now to basic salts. These are very simple. Basic salts are just salts that contain hydroxyl ions, the opposite of acidic salts. They are formed when strong base react with weak acid. Examples are basic magnesium chloride, basic lead 2 carbonate, basic copper 2 carbonate, and more others. Now let's go and finalize to the double salts. Double salts, these are salts in which there are 2 different anions or cation. They have 2 different anions or cation. For example, the mineral dolomite, that is calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, contains both the calcium 2 plus ions and magnesium 2 plus ions. Hence, it is a double salt because it contains calcium and magnesium ions together. Double salts only exist in solid state. That is very important. Solid state, I repeat. When dissolved in water, they break up into a mixture of 2 separate salts. Example are potash, alum, the formula is there, and toner, as you can see. Thank you for your time.